In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Microsoft Outlook calendar details. This guide will help you protect your privacy by controlling who can see the information in your calendar. If you have previously shared your calendar and want to restrict access or remove visibility of your schedule, this method will help you make your calendar more private and secure. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and navigate to the Calendar section. Once you are inside the calendar view, locate the specific calendar that you have previously shared with other people. This is important because you can only adjust sharing settings for calendars that have already been shared. After selecting the correct calendar, look for the three-dot menu icon, usually found next to the calendar name. Click on it to open additional options. From the menu that appears, select Sharing and Permissions. This section will display a list of all individuals who currently have access to your calendar, along with their assigned permissions. Now, review the list carefully. Each person listed here has been granted access to view your calendar details. To hide your calendar information from a specific person, locate their email entry in the list. Next to their name, you will see an option to remove their access. Click on Remove beside the person you want to restrict. Once you confirm the removal, their access to your calendar will be immediately revoked. This means they will no longer be able to view any details or updates that you add to your calendar going forward. If you have multiple people with access, you can repeat the same process for each individual until you have removed all unwanted permissions. After completing these steps, your calendar will become private again, ensuring that only you can view your schedule and events. This is especially useful for maintaining confidentiality in both personal and professional environments. And that's how you can easily hide or restrict calendar details in Microsoft Outlook by managing sharing permissions. It is a simple but effective way to control your privacy and decide exactly who can see your schedule. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.